Ah. I see the fishing fleet's in up the river. Very cool. This looks like a packer maybe, eh? And look, the fishing fleet's down there. Looks like a net boat of some sort there. Across the way. And over here. Interesting. Cool. These big dhow style boats, hey? There's the open ocean down there. Just at the bottom of the river, or the ditch here, or whatever. Cool. We saw the Coast Guard station there too. Okay, I'm trying to get a picture of the boats for you guys, so I'm gonna do something a little crazy here. Sure is busy, eh? Holy shoot. It's just never ending. Never ending traffic in Malaysia. The fishing fleet there. The bigger fleet, I guess, that can't fit under the bridge maybe. And then here is the fishing fleet on the other side of the bridge. But I don't know, man. Getting across there seems a little dicey. It's just never ending. The big bottleneck. Yeah, not gonna happen, man. Crazy, crazy. Anyways, the fishing fleet over there. You can probably see, oh, there's a break in traffic. Cool. Okay. Look at this. There it is, the small fishing fleet. In various stages of dilapidation, I see too. Anyways, I thought I'd try and catch this shot. We just went over the bridge. I was like, oh, fishing boats. I'm gonna stop. Anyways, okay, I'll leave it at that.